Hey guys, my name is Donnie and welcome back to the channel. And you guys might be thinking that I keep on crying wolf because every single time I make a video about the Jaguar, I said this is going to be the most exciting video of them all. But guys, this is no exception. This is going to be the most exciting video so far on the Jaguar D-type. And the reason for that, guys, is because I plan on doing a redemption maiden run with the Jag today, because we have actually now in the meantime finished everything on the car completely. We have got the whole car running absolutely perfectly. We have in the meantime had proper seats made from leather and installed it. And guys, the list of things that we had to do since the last video just grew exponentially. There was just so many things that we needed to do to finish the car, but it is now actually really finished and done, and we can take it for a proper shakedown run. And hopefully this time we're not going to have problems with anything like oil leaks and so on. And just to give you guys an update, the last video we had a serious oil leak, and what actually happened is that the car's oil filter at the bottom sticks out a little bit further than the sump, and it bumped over a bump as I left my workshop, and it just loosened the little oil seal at the bottom, and we had oil spill out from the oil filter at the bottom. But we did manage to modify that in the meantime to lift it a little bit more, get some more extra clearance. So I hope that this time we're not going to run into that type of problem. And guys, what I really want to do, and we are busy doing that, is we're making a proper reveal video, almost like a cinematic type of video of the Jaguar, so we can go through the whole thing. And I'd like to do some scenes where we're driving down the road and just having fun, so you guys can see just how nice or how well this car drives. But in the meantime, I thought I was just going to give you guys a bit of a montage of me and Matthew doing a shakedown with the car, driving up and down the road, just making sure everything was fine, and figuring out and just making a list of all the things that we still need to do. Because even though we have gone through a whole list, and even though there were so many things that we did in the meantime, there's still a couple of stuff that we need to do on the car to just tweak it and make it perfect. Like for instance on the steering, and we also want to just shave an inch off of the sump just to get a little bit more clearance on the car. But apart from that, it's almost just about ready to give off to the customer. But guys, that's going to be enough talking for now. Like I said, I just really wanted to do a redemption video of taking this car on a maiden voyage, because last time ended in a bit of a fail. But I think you guys are going to enjoy this video. And like I said, we will be posting a proper reveal video with some nice footage of the car and just going through everything we did. Because guys, would you believe it, but it is almost to the day 3 years since I started this project. So it is something that grew on me. It is a car that I've felt dearly in love with, and I put a little bit of my soul in this car. So it is something that is very dear to me and that I love very, very much. So I'm very excited to properly reveal it to you guys, but not in this video. This is just going to be me and Matthew having a lot of fun with the car. So enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.